Denana, denana, dena, dena, denana, oh, denani. Kodila, kondanana, bududulere. Hare kodange, banare, ullere. Gottude, saramude, kandage. Bailede nutramudi benye, kodange, banarege, undane. Panela kottu patere, lava kodi kondananda budo, kodange, banare, japere. Gottude poinare, bailede lavondu, bailede poinare. Gottude nana barvere, kachira nilete lavole, bale bulipuna soradanye, kodange banarege kenude. Nula dadane katede, kalajigane panpere, kotto detudu pugelade divere.
Agriculture has been one of the oldest occupations of mankind. Despite the entry of IT, BT and other sophisticated means of livelihood, agriculture still remains as one of the major trades even today. In the undivided district of Dakshina Kannada, there has been a one-to-one relationship between agriculture and the people. Though Indian agriculture is known to be a gamble with the rains, it has still remained an exception when it comes to Dakshina Kannada, as the district is usually blessed with good rains and there has rarely been problems for cultivation owing to lack of rains. So the onset of monsoon is eagerly awaited here, and once the first raindrops fall on the ground, the farmers get started with agricultural activities. Daiji World has caught some memorable shots of commencement of agricultural season in the district for its viewers. The arrival of monsoon is the approval of nature to begin the agriculture activities. Farmers get busy with the onset of monsoons. The main crop of the land during the monsoon season is paddy. Right from cleaning the field, tilling and later sowing, agriculture is totally an enjoyable time to the farmers since it is their source of livelihood. In most of the cases, the entire family is involved in agriculture. While the men keep themselves busy with cleaning, tilling the land and other activities, the female folk is mostly involved in sewing and also supplying the labourers with food and other necessities. This is one season during which farmers do not want to waste even a single moment.
Bira birande, birane lepunaga alanige, birela manipuje muddonde, mudduno lepunago, muddula nana manipujale.
However, this year, owing to delay in the monsoon, only 22,000 hectares of land was initially cultivated as against 33 hectares in the last season. Though agricultural activities are tedious and take on toll on one's physique, the farmers do not take it as burden. In fact, they enjoy their work to the most and even sing songs which are locally called as pardana while tilling or sowing. Songs encourage them and help them to work for long without much strain. These songs add a touch of tradition to the work. Most of these songs are directly related to their work, which gives a feeling that their work is not something strange to them.
Kunata melude burone, ale bale kachira malude, kale de buli pale. Ayo papane ulo dosane, rama kala ninde, kwadanye banare panwere. Satyada bale landeda, yani yanane, kugelede yitina ayelatrade, lava kaite patte laule, satyada magalandedo, yanna pachadada kodige. Rat de burodo panpere, kwadanye banare anige panwere. Kunata melude yitina bale, arena pachadege, rat de nana burale.
Though these days tillers have taken the place of bullocks in ploughing the land, farmers say that they still enjoy ploughing with bullocks, since it is a natural way of ploughing. While ploughing with tillers is a trade, ploughing with the help of bullocks is an art which only a few can master.
The kind of remote control systems we have implemented, which can be operated up to a distance of around 150 meters. That is this model. Further, depending on the requirements, this range can be doubled to from 500 to up till 1 kilometers. This is a very useful product. It will be a very useful product for the farmers, and using this product they need not have to get into the field and continuously walk behind the tiller for around hours and hours under rain, sun and the noise from the engine.
However, in the last few years, agriculture has taken a back seat because of flush of money from natives settled in other areas. Farms and fields are converted into residential plots and commercial complexes. Though the district has almost 60% of its populace residing in rural areas, agriculture no more remains as their primary occupation. But it is quite true that urban life moves on smoothly due to the hard work and commitment of people staying in the rural areas. Though the agricultural work does not yield results immediately, the farmers know that their work has value which cannot be measured. The joy derived by farmers by indulging themselves in agriculture is inexplicable, and no words can describe this ever. While one sees the green fields spread across the district, it should also remind him of the efforts and sacrifices that farmers put in making this. Year after year, they till, sow and harvest, but will never get tired because it plays such an important role in their lives. Dakshina Kannada is indeed blessed bountifully by Mother Nature. Flowing rivers, lush green fields, picturesque plains, challenging mountains. Everything is beautiful in our district. Though most of us today do not want to associate ourselves with agriculture in any way, it is true that if one wants real experience of life, nature's beauty, then he or she should come to Dakshina Kannada during the monsoon season. Whoever has experienced this would always like to sit on the lap of Mother Nature and enjoy every fraction of life.
O ajal de laule, o ಓ ಲಾಜೆ ಪಾಮುಡಿಯೇ ಓ ಕಂಡಾಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲಯಗೆ ಓ ಮುಜಾಲೆ ದೌಲೆ ಓ ಮುಪ್ಪಾಲ ಮುಡಿಯೇ ಓ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಲೌಲೆ ಓ ನಮನೆ ಇನಿಯೇ ಓ ಪತ್ತಾಪೆ ಬಾಲೆಲು ಓ ಒಂಜಾಪೆ ಬಾಲೆಲಕ ಓ ಗೋಬೋದು ನಲಿತೆ ಓ ನಮನಾದೆ ನತ್ತೆ ಓ ಇನೇದ ಲೌಲೆ ಓ ದೇವರೆ ಬುಟ್ಟೆ ಓ ನಮನಾದೆ ನತ್ತೆ ಓ ಕೆಯೇಲ ಬೆಲಗೋಡೆ ಓ ಅಲ್ಲೇದ ದಂಡದಲಕ ಓ ಕುರಾಲೆ ದಂಗೋಡೆ ಓ ಬಂಗಾಲ ಬಾರೇನೆ ಓ ಕಯೇಲೆ ಪಾಡಿನೆಂಗೆ ಓ ಕುರಾಲದ ಪೊರುಲೆ ಓ ತೋಜೋಡು ಮಂದಲೆ ಓ ಆಜಾಲೆ ದವೋಲೆ ಓ ಪಾಡದೇರೆ ಉಲ್ಲಯೇ ಓ ಮುಜೆ ಮುಡಿಲ ಓ ಬಿತ್ತೆ ಪಾಡದೇರೆ ಓ ಮುಜಾಲೆ ದೌಲೆ ಓ ಪಾಡದೇರೆ ನಾನಾ ಓ ಲಾಜೆ ಮುಡಿಲ ಓ ಬಿತ್ತೆ ಪಾಡದೇರೆ ಓ ವರಾಲ ಪಾಜೆ.
Along with cameraman Austin Pinto, this is Amanda Sequeira for TV Daiji World.
ಓ ಬೊಲ್ಲಾನೆ ನಾನಾ ಓ ಗುದ್ದೂರು ಪೋತುನೆ ಓ ಇರುವಾರ ಪಾದೆ ಓ ಬಿತ್ತಗೆ ಲೌಲೆ ಓ ಪಕ್ಕಿಲ ಸಾಲೆರೆ